1288 days of new halving, fear and greed sitting at 29, which is fear, and Bitcoin is currently trading at the 54.4k. We're still trading pretty low. The only support that we got is the bottom of the falling channel. At least we're trading above it. We're trading on a forum time frame. We're trading below all of the EMAs, 20, 50, 100, 200, below the 58, 60k, below the neutral zone of the falling channel. Same goes to the daily, by the way. Yeah, the only support that we got is the bottom of the falling channel, which is roughly sitting at 52k. Obviously hoping to go back to the neutral zone when it comes to the falling channel. Weekly time frame. Today is the last day of a weekly candle. We're trading slightly above the 50 EMA, which is working for us as a support. So far it's working for us. And resistance for us would be 20 EMA, which is roughly sitting at 60k, 60, 61k, roughly at that range. So yeah, it's a weekly time frame. Again, MACD on a weekly, still in a red zone, no significant movement there, still pretty bearish. Monthly time frame, again, big time frame, not much of a movement happening there. Still 20 EMA on the monthly time frame is working for us as a support there. We're still trading above the previous candle when it comes to the lows. We're not making new lows. That's pretty good. The only thing that is still concerning and will probably still stay that way, at least in this month, is the monthly MACD. It's giving us some bearish sentiment, bearish sign. But again, if you're gonna look at the previous cycle, we had the same picture during the September in 2021, and the October was like a reversal from the bearish sentiment, and then we made a new all-time high there. So maybe we're gonna have the same outcome for the next month and for current September. Again, reminding you that September is historically the worst month for a Bitcoin, the worst returns during this monthly candle. Ethereum, if you're gonna look at the Ethereum, let's go to the daily time frame. Ethereum is obviously correlating with the Bitcoin. No much movement happening there. Ethereum BTC pair sitting at the bottom of the falling wedge. Nothing significant there. BTC dominance continuing to drop. Currently sitting at 56.8%. Recently, in a recent month, it tried to have a breakout out of the 57.5%. No success there and got rejected. Ethereum dominance sitting at a 2-year low at 14.5%. Stablecoins are slightly pumping. Stablecoin dominance slightly pumping because Bitcoin is selling, altcoins are selling, dominance dropping. You know, some portion of it is going towards the stablecoins. Gold, S&P today is a weekend, so no movement there. So that's pretty much all TA for today. Let's move on to the news. And today we got pretty much no news. The only positive news, which is good, coming from El Salvador. Today are they celebrating 3-year mark since they adopted Bitcoin. So again, happy Bitcoin day for El Salvador. It's pretty good, pretty positive news for El Salvador and for the Bitcoin adoption in general. At least some positivity we're having today. So yeah, that's pretty much all TA news for today. Obviously hoping for a recovery for this month, for this monthly time candle, to at least have a green close. Maybe 1%, 2% return would be great, but at least in a green zone, you know, that would be pretty nice. On a daily time frame, obviously neutral zone would be so far so good, meaning above the 200 EMA. So yeah, hoping for that and waiting for that. So to the moon, to the moon.